and today we're going to be making DIY kinetic sand. And and if you don't know what kinetic sand is, it's like this sand that's kinetic-y. It's really cool. Look,
Okay, well,
we'll show.
Let's not make a mess.
It's okay. We'll show a montage of what it's really, or not really a montage. I don't know what, but YouTube. We filmed one. I'm gonna put it in right here.
Oh, by the way, I'm a special guest. Hi, guys.
She's my special guest. Introduce yourself.
No, you do it. I'm the guest here.
This is Layla, my friend. But yeah, so we'll put in the video of what kinetic sand really is and what it looks like here. Okay, now we're gonna start with the making the kinetic sand. So here we have one and a half cups of sand,
a cup of cornstarch, and a half cup of soapy water, and then you can add glitter. It's only optional though.
I like glitter because there's glitter in that one. So you pour that in, right? Isn't that what we discussed?
I guess we discussed nothing. All we discussed was
pour that in.
Nothing happened.
Oh my god!
This video.
Oh my god! We may have been watching goats scream like humans. It's hilarious. Now go. I'll link that in the description.
That was a great video.
I'm gonna mix the cornstarch and the sand together.
Oh my god, we're making a mess.
That's my specialty. Like when I was making the lime zingers. When I was making the lime zingers, I kind of made a humongous mess, but don't.
See, I didn't watch that video because it's too long and boring.
See, this is why I need opinions. And no one will comment down below on video ideas, so that's why you get this boring stuff.
Okay, just shut up.
I'm sorry. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, now we're gonna add the glitter because we want to add the dry stuff first.
Yeah.
So we're both gonna add glitter. We did a poll on her Instagram, and there's 2 votes for. Oh, you're just taking the whole lid off. Okay, I guess we're doing that. There was a vote for blue, so I have 4 different blue glitters. I guess we're just pouring it in like this, and wow, I'm gonna need to clean the table. Do we do this one?
No,
Okay.
I don't think so.
Whatever.
How many did you pour?
1. This is the second one.
We might need more glitter though, because like you can never go with too much glitter.
I know, that was my motto when I was like 7. It still is. Also, being weird is also my motto, but here we go. Wow, I'm gonna be out of glitter real quick here.
Yes, you are.
Oh! Oh my god, she just poured the whole thing in there.
No, wait.
Now we're gonna add the soapy water. This is like a sandcastle sand, I swear.
No, it's not.
Wait, here. She related this to. Okay. Yeah, that's the video.